We're back for round 2. I had to re-weld it, hammered it out a little bit, and put a few extra welds on top to hopefully make it a little stronger. Everything's cooled off, so the spline's cold again, and hopefully it will pop off when hot. So we'll try again. This thing has been a bitch, and hopefully this time it comes off. But I had to go to Home Depot during our pandemic. The coronavirus is going crazy out there and the world's gone mad. The Home Depot is still open. I managed to get the last 2 boxes of gloves from Harbor Freight. I had to pick up a step drill bit to get that a little bigger so maybe I can get it centered. But we're trying again, and hopefully it works this time, because this is stupid now. Jesus. That was so stupid, this process. You guys didn't get to see it all, but holy moly was that stuck. Took 110 pounds of PSI pressure and the Pro Series impact wrench to get that bad boy off. It doesn't even look like there's rust. Wow. Pretty crazy. But nothing damaged. Woo! Alright. Got my case splitter. I'll try it from this side. I double checked that I got all my screws out. There's a... oh, there it goes. I can say there's still that rod in there. Push rod. Put that with the clutch stuff. And I think I'm going to push on this side. Get them as deep as I can so that strip any threads off the aluminum. Oh, but that's right, never mind. I don't want to go so deep that I'm grabbing the other side of the case. Oh, so maybe I'm grabbing the wrong... In fact, I'm rethinking this, I'm sorry. I'm going to go to where I can see the threads. So I don't want to be grabbing the other side of the case and pulling up and just fighting myself. Oop, maybe it's right here. Let's start with this one actually. Yeah, I have a feeling that one's going all the way to the other side. It's not going to do me any good. But that popped it. We got lucky. Use a few more twists, just get a little thicker. take you off so you're not in my way. Alright. Uh-oh. I believe that came off of here. Which would be around there. Don't lose that shim. Pretty sure it came from there. Gotta push that out with the puller too, it seems. Oh shit. Here's the rock wash I was missing. But also this shim looks like it goes here. Might have taken that apart upside down. It might have been better to take it from the other side so that we didn't lose these. But we know where those go now. But we'll have to push the crankshaft out as well. Hopefully this comes out in one big piece. Try to keep it all together. It does. And there's a shim. Ooh, 3 shims. No, 2. 2 shims. Going right back where they belong. This, oop, don't lose that. And this looks pretty clean. So, might just spray it off, wipe off any of the chunks, try to keep it how it is. I don't want to mess with this too much. This will go right here. Oop, there's a shim under there too. Another shim here. Shims everywhere. Yeah, I feel like this should kind of go together the other way. Put it in all backwards that way, and this should go on top. But but we'll figure that out later. Oh, and there's the little cam stop that belongs to this spring. This whole setup, gotta get that out of here. We need a whole nother tub for this. I'm gonna find somewhere to put this and I'll be back. Alright. This thing just pops out, hopefully. Well, that made that pop out. And again, that goes to this whole setup. Don't know what that's called, but it's something awesome. Shim or a washer way down there. Actually, those two don't feel so bad. This one needs a little work, but I'm going to pull them all because I have seals, so I'll polish the bearings. Well, why not? Somehow it goes all, I don't know, it goes in there somehow. Figure that out later. Another shim. Where the hell did that come from? I sure hope from there. I'll have to double check my video. But pretty sure that came from there. Shit. Keyway's still in there. It's tight, so I'm not too worried about losing that. I'm just gonna put that right here and keep that with this when I get it out. A little tight. Up. No huge damage. I did miff up the threads a little bit with that wrench holding it trying to get that pinion drive off, if I can file those down. About that. Just because I'm not going to mess with it too much either, just keep it dust free. Alright, well the cases are officially split. Pulling the bearings is going to be a little stupid, so I'll come back to that. But cheers, I like that.